Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you the best two-factor authentication app. So let's get started. So the best two-factor authentication app that I recommend for you is Microsoft Authenticator, and in this video I will be explaining why. So first up, let's go and open up Microsoft Authenticator. And now I will show you on how you can easily add two-factor authentication here in this Microsoft Authenticator right here. It's very easy. So all you have to do is go to the app that you want to add 2FA in. So in my case, I'll go for Binance, and then I'm going to tap on Enable. And from here, I'm just going to go and copy the 16-digit key. I'm going to use that one. And then I'm going to go back to Microsoft Authenticator. And from here, I'm going to tap on the plus icon on the top right. And from here, you can go for the personal Microsoft Authenticator account or work or school account if it is related to a Microsoft account email. And if not, I'm going to go for other since this is just a Binance. And then from here, you can scan a QR code if you'd want. But in my case, I'll just go and tap on enter code manually because I want to use the 16-digit code. So to paste on it, and then I'm going to go for Binance right here and tap on finish. And then it would now be prompted right here in the list of your 2FAs. So I'm gonna tap on this one, and I'm gonna tap here to copy the 6-digit code right there, and then I can just use this on Binance, and just like that, just as easy as that. So yeah, all I have to do now is paste it right here, submit, and then there we have it. It is now successfully linked with our Microsoft Authenticator. So that's how easy it is. And then you also have some additional features aside from the authenticator. So right here at the bottom, as you can see, we have the password section. So in here, you can also store your password. So this can also act as your password manager. And here in the addresses, you can also store your addresses right here. And then you have your verified IDs. You can also store your verified IDs. This would make it easier for the autofill so that when you fill up your details on other website, you don't have to type it manually. You can just store it here in the Microsoft Authenticator, and then Microsoft Authenticator would fill it up for you. And then when you tap on the top left, you have the 3 horizontal bars. And from here, you can go into settings, and then you could have the iCloud backup. You have the app lock and the autofill settings right here. And then your verified ID settings right here. So you can just import or export your IDs. So that is basically it. So this is the reason why I think Microsoft Authenticator has the edge. I mean, other Authenticator also has that easy process on how you can add 2FAs, but with the other features here in Microsoft Authenticator, it just wins as a whole. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.